In this video, I will tell you how to use Capcut. This is basic tutorial for Capcut. Capcut is a software to generate and edit videos. It is the same as Camtasia, however, I think it's better. One thing you can realize is its advantages over Camtasia, which is that when we use Camtasia to generate videos, it uses CPUs only, and our CPU will get really hot. However, with Capcut, we have an option to use GPU to generate the videos, and it's better, it's faster, and it's good for our CPU. Now we will start. This is Capcut interface, and we will start with a new project. These two projects, there's nothing, so I will delete them. So new project, and first of all we need to add pictures and audio file to the library. From the library we can add to our video. First import, and we will choose all the pictures we want to be in our library, and also audio file if you have, and if you want to have sound in your video. In this tutorial I only add pictures, and we will add pictures to our video. You can pick one by one, or you can highlight all of them and put it in our video. And also you can change the position of the picture. Okay, and now we have 5 pictures, and as you can see, each picture will last for 15 seconds. As you can see, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. And if you want to change the duration of each video, if you want to change the duration of each image, each picture in this video, you can use the mouse and drag like this to increase the length, or you can make it shorter like this. Okay, you can change the duration of each image. However, if you have to change every image, and you have like a 20 or maybe more, it will take a lot of time to change one by one, to change the duration of each picture one by one. So we have so if you want to change the duration for all the pictures, so for all the images, you should change it at first before adding pictures, before adding images. So I will delete all the pictures, and now I will change the duration. Menu, settings, and then over here we have settings and project and edit. Edit, and here you can change it to the duration you want. I'll change to 10 seconds for each image. And over here, frame rate, we have other options, free layer, time code. You can test them later, but here in this video basic tutorial, I only mention what I think is basic. Now frame rate, if you I think 30 frames per second is great. Yeah, 30 frames per second, especially for 2K video. So that is great for 2K video. And performance, as I said, we have an option to use GPUs, so you can click over here to use a GPU to generate videos. And language is nothing but language performance. Okay, and now click save, and we'll add the images again. Highlight all of them, add to the video, and now we have 10 seconds for each picture. So kind of good. You can generate the video right now. However, To make the video more interesting, we can add the effects. And at the moment now, let's see the picture change. So after 10 seconds, it will change to another picture. However, there's no effects, so it sounds boring. So now I will add so to make the video more interesting. There are two things that we can add to the video: transition over here, and then effects. Of course, we have text, audio. However, in this and filter as well, you can change. You can change the picture, the style of the picture. However, today I will focus on two things which I think are the most effective and interesting. So transitions and effects. Transition is the effect between two pictures. So when the video changes from one picture to another picture, there will be an effect to make it look better. Now let's try transition, and we have a lot. You can hold the mouse over each transition to see how it runs, and you can pick what you want. For me, I'll pick then and now because it looks quite good. It's good movement from one picture to another, and as you can see, there are download size over here. It means I don't have them. Here I have already. I downloaded already, so I have plus sign. I don't have this one. So if I want to have this, just click over here to download. Just like very quick, just about 1 second. And now if you want to add this transition to the video, just click the plus sign. I'll choose this one, then and now, and I have the transition. And also we can change the duration of the transition by dragging the mouse, as you can see, dragging the mouse. And okay, we let's see how it goes. Oh, it's quite good. Yeah, it's quite good, and the time is quite good as well. So we it's about here when we drag like this, we don't know how much time it is, but we can look to the top right, and you can see over here. I want this duration to last for about 3 seconds. I put 3, press enter, and that's 3 seconds. However, if you want to add duration to every picture, you don't have to add one by one. That will take time. We have apply to all over here. If you want to use the same transition and the same duration, you can use it apply to all over here. To have to have transition between every picture. It's good now. It's good now. Okay. And the next one is effects. So transition is a movement from one picture to another picture, but effects that is good for picture. It's good for showing picture. And let's see. Let's check them. Okay, over here we have again many effects we can use, and I'll choose lens. It means zoom in, zoom out, and okay, that's quite good. I will add to my video. Okay, so I'll add different from transition. Transition is always between two pictures. However, for effects, we can put anywhere we want. So you can move the timeline over here, and you can add effect, and you start from here, or you can drag to the place you want. So kind of okay, it's look quite good. Okay, and also we can change the duration as well. However, for transition, for effects, we don't have apply to all, because it's not between two pictures, so this is typical to use apply to all. And let me see if we can copy and paste. So I try to copy Control C and now move the timeline over here and paste. Oh, that's great. So I can use paste. It will be faster. And anyway, and you don't have to drag as well, because drag, you have to move the mouse over here to the timeline and drag. And I think we can click. Oh, it's great. So I can click, paste, 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 and with this way we can copy and paste all very easily. And also we can add more than one effect for the video. I will make it shorter so we have space for other effects. Okay, I would like to add one more trending. Let me see what oh, this one. What about this one? Oh, this one is good. So download this effect and then I'll add to the video. I'll add over here. Okay, and now, oh, quite good. Oh, that's another layer. Okay, it's okay. So put it in the middle, and then I can copy and paste to the place I want. Okay, great. So that's enough. And now let's check our product. Play. Oh, it looks quite good. Yeah, however, if we have the same effect for every picture, it looks quite boring. So it's up to you. You can use what effect you want. Oh, it's quite good. Okay, so finish. And now we will make this video. We will export the video. Export over here. You can click export, and you can choose the name of the video, where you want to export the video to, and resolution as well. Resolution. Because my picture is my picture is 2K, so of course I can use 2K. However, this is not important because it's just an example, and about 50 megabytes for this video, 38 seconds, and then export. That's everything you need to know about basic tutorial. This is just basic tutorial, and if you want to make a simple video, you can follow. Thank you for watching.